When we finish that, then we vacuum all corners. Listen, when I mean vacuuming all corners, I don't mean where they can see. When it comes to medical centers, you have to go under the bed. You have to dust under the bed and vacuum under the bed. Anyway, once we finish that, then we start mopping. We mop all corners. Waiting room chairs, my friend, has to be pushed aside when vacuuming and mopping. And then you have to mop behind it and vacuum behind it and then push them back. Welcome to A-Team Cleaning. Follow us for more.